We're getting ready to mount the stand pole for our wind generator, and we're doing a couple tricks here you may find helpful on your project. So let me show them to you. We have a hand nut riveter, and it comes with a variety of dies for different metric and standard thread sizes, and a selection of rivets, of different sizes. You can see all the different bags. And the way this works is you attach a riv nut to this tool, and this is 1/4 and you can see it spread open, and when you compress those levers, it'll squeeze this riv nut. You can see that the top of it's serrated so it gets a bite, but it'll squeeze the bottom of it just like a rivet and secure it in the hole that you drilled. So we've drilled the mounting holes for the base of our stand that's going to hold our wind generator. And we're going to riv nut 1/4 rivets into here, and they are threaded. And you can thread rivets, or should I say the rivets are already threaded on the inside. So 1/4 screws will thread into them. So once those rib nuts are secured into the hull with the tool, we can attach 1/4 screws right down through them. And they fit nicely through the base that we're going to be mounting for this wind generator. And we got a little bit of wobble room, so we don't have to cross any threads if they're not perfectly flush. And because the hull of the boat is not flat where we're mounting, you can see this is laying out that direction. So to level this up and get it plumb, we have washers to stack underneath the outboard edge, and that'll get us plumbed up. And that way we'll be able to secure it to this bar that we put in. We'll put bracing bars from down here up high, or from this corner up high, to give it more strength. And we'll also put an attachment over to the bimini that we got reinforced, and that way we don't have to worry about our wind generator ever blowing over. And of course, since we put holes in the deck, we have butyl tape. This will never get hard. We'll put that around all the holes in the bottom of the stand, and that'll prevent water from getting into our hull where we've drilled the holes or dripping down on the bed below. So let's get this assembled and we'll show you the final product. The riv nuts are in. Takes just a minute to put them in, and now I can screw 1/4 bolts through the base of the stand and secure it to the deck. Now I'm going to see how many washers I need to level it up. We've got 5 washers underneath the outer edge, so I know a level doesn't work well on a boat, but we tighten her down. She'll be pretty level. Boats rock. So that's close enough. So let's get her secured, get some butyl tape underneath her, and see how she turns out. We've got the base secured. You can see the butyl tape oozing out all around it. It's good and sealed, and the water's going to get on our deck. Got our 18-inch piece with a coupler here, and that's so the 6-foot piece, which is up out of reach where the wind generator is going to go, I can unscrew it here and bring it down to mount the wind generator, connect the wires and all that, and should it ever need any service or repairs, I can bring it to deck. I'll leave enough slack in the wires to do that, because the wires are going to come down through the center of this pipe. So let's get the generator out and start putting her together and continue with this project.